Okay, so I'm starting the corrections for question number 1 on the calculator part of the graphing quadratic functions test. This section is from section 4.1 and 4.2, and the first question is, it says, for each function, find the vertex and the axis of symmetry. So we're given this, and we need the vertex and axis of symmetry. So for this one here, the vertex, well, it makes sense to use negative, so we're going to try to use this formula here, negative b over 2a c minus b squared over 4a. That's for the vertex. And then we know the axis of symmetry is always x equals whatever this works out to be. That's our axis of symmetry. So, but it's always x equals. If you forgot x equals, I took points off because that's what I emphasized. So let's go here and do number 1. Number 1 was, so we got a, b, c. So it's going to be, our vertex is going to be negative of negative 6 over 2 times 3. And then our y part's going to be c, which is 4 minus negative 6 squared over 4 times 3. So when you figure that out, you get positive 6 on top. This is really positive 6. And then this is equal to 6 on bottom. So we end up getting 1 here. On the top, on the other side, we get 4 minus, well, that's 36 divided by 12, which is 3. So this is 36. This is 12 on bottom. 36 divided by 12 is 3, and you get 1. So this is going to be 1, 1. There's our vertex. Our axis of symmetry is x equals 1. And I got that from right there. Okay, number 2 on here is the same instructions. I need to find the vertex and axis of symmetry, but in this case, they gave it to us in intercept form. So the x-intercept form, which is x minus 3, x plus 7. Okay, so we right away know that the intercepts are p is 3 or p is negative 7, or sorry, q, I guess is what they use in the notes, q. So if you take that, if you want the x of the vertex, which is the axis of symmetry, you can go 3 plus negative 7 divided by 2. That's negative 2. So we now know the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 2. So let's put that in there to get the vertex. We know that vertex is x, so the vertex x is negative 2. We just need the y value, so I'm going to put that in here. So f of negative 2 is going to be the y value. Negative 4, negative 2, minus 3, negative 2 plus 7. So this is negative 5 times 5 times negative 4. Well, that's 25, and that's, so it's and then it's a negative for those right there, and then times negative 4, that's positive 100. So put positive 100 there. We got that one there. Okay, and then if we want the third one, so the third one, number 3, they gave us g of x equals 1/3 x plus 6 squared plus 5. So we already know the x's lie to you, so the vertex is negative 6, 5. So the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 6. And there we go. So I'm going to stop after the first three. I'll just upload this one.